Now, for those of you who have followed my videos, basically when I collected my RV from a National Indoor RV Centre, which I'll tell you about later, I did promise myself that I'll have the RV detailed, because I normally keep it fairly clean, but I've just done a little road trip without Julia. I'm going to collect Julia tomorrow at the airport, so I need to get the RV clean, and I haven't got time to do it. So I've got the professionals doing it. There's 4 of them, 2 each side, and they've got some amazing equipment, and I have seen the end result. I've seen the sort of quality these guys turn out, so I thought I'd treat myself. Well, more importantly, I thought I'd treat the RV to a little spring clean. So I'm going to video what they do. I've asked for them to do the engine and also the generator bay, which I always overlook. So let's see how they get on.